guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my 2-week update on Differin gel. If this is your first time watching my channel, welcome. The purpose of this channel is to chronicle my journey with Differin. If you do not know, Differin is a retinoid that used to be available only by prescription but is now available without prescription. The kind that I use is the 0.1% Adapalene gel acne treatment. The way that I use it is I just put a tiny pea-sized amount onto my finger, dot it around my face, and then rub in a thin layer over my entire face. They say you are only to use Differin once a day, preferably at night, so I do use mine at night, and then afterwards I follow it up with this. This is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. It's also known as the CeraVe in the tub. And in the morning, I just wash my face with water, and then I go ahead and add this as my daytime moisturizer. It's the Mizon All-in-One Snail Repair Cream. And then I do use a sunscreen every single day, which is very important. It is the Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen Lotion for the face, SPF 30. Again, guys, this is a physical sunscreen. It is not a chemical sunscreen, so I highly recommend to check it out if you're someone that does not like chemical sunscreens. But getting into week 2. Weeks 2 to 4 is where people say you might actually start noticing some of the harsher side effects that come with using a retinoid, and I have kind of started to see some. Like I said in a previous video, I don't have sensitive skin, and my skin normally doesn't really care too much what I put on it. So I haven't been experiencing redness or flakiness just yet, but I am starting to get some of the purge that I've heard about. Right now I do have a couple pretty big painful pimples that have popped up. They all seem to be on the left side of my face. So I have that one up there, one here, and this whole kind of, I don't know, side of the chin area is pretty bad, and I have a pretty big one under my lips. Like I said, I am on my 2nd week of Differin, and I have heard that weeks 2 through 4 is when side effects and purging can start to happen. I'm hoping that my skin will calm down in the next couple of weeks here. As with all of these update videos, I have been taking pictures of my face every single night after I wash it and apply my Differin, and I'm going to include those pictures right here. You'll see a picture of me facing forward, facing to the left, and facing to the right. As you can see from the pictures, I feel like at the beginning of the week, my skin was actually doing a lot better. I really didn't have any active pimples. I just had some redness from older pimples. And then as the week goes on, you can see the whiteheads start to appear, and then to what my skin is today. Again, as always, when I do these videos, I am bare-faced. The only thing I have on my face right now is that Bare Republic sunscreen. So this is what my face looks like today. This is pretty much natural lighting and nothing on my face. So if you guys want to keep on watching and see what happens to my skin in week 3, then please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any comments, feel free to leave those below, and I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you next week. Thanks!